to say that we were the first ones to bring in LT40 3-meter machines to South Dubai. It is LT40 3-meter machine, which we are in love with those machines because those machines are really doing a great job for us.
LT40 machine recently we brought is a very good machine and giving a good productivity. Quality of the machine is good, productivity is good, and cycle time is we can reduce because of the rigidity of the machine.
The jobs from our customer is having more heavy, so we bought for a LT40, and that is giving also more accurate and efficient quality.
The machine last we purchased, which is 2-meter, that is a good in demand, and the next size 3-meter in turning, that is I think 2 and 3-meter is the highest demand machines right now in the market.